More than 50 persons were hauled before the courts in St. Elizabeth on Friday for failing to pay property taxes and trade licenses. Officials from the St. Elizabeth Municipal Corporation say they've had to take a tough stance against delinquents because the corporation failed to meet its tax collection targets last year. We have more in this report.
Tax evaders are being warned to beware as the St. Elizabeth Municipal Corporation ramps up its property tax collection drive. The corporation was hoping to collect $1 billion in property taxes at the end of December, but it fell short with only 52% of that figure being collected. It has set out to collect the remaining 48% by the end of March, which marks the end of the financial year.
We know there are challenges in terms of individuals out there. There are economic challenges, there are other challenges. But we are prepared to work with them and to, work out plans with them in terms of ensuring that our property taxes are paid.
Already action has been taken against persons who have failed to pay their taxes. Close to 50 persons appeared before the court in St. Elizabeth for breaches.
Citizens must always remember that the municipal corporation has options. We have options of taking persons to court to encourage them to comply with this massive question of paying property taxes, which the government needs so badly to carry out the services that citizens want from us.
The mayor says a mobile property tax unit will be roaming the parish between February 15 and 17.
Property tax does a lot of things in the respective parishes in terms of the services that are provided. The collection of garbage, we assist through the NSWMA with the collection of garbage, a matter that persons are constantly calling councillors, members of parliament and the municipal corporation about. You have matters such as street lights, which residents also look on as a very critical area in terms of the service that is provided to them. These are just two examples of things that the property tax goes towards.
Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.